I'm Debra Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. We have a lot of new cannabis stocks to talk about. Acreage Holdings did a reverse takeover of Applied Inventions Management Corporation. They expect that stock to begin trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Then Flowr Corporation began trading on the Toronto Venture Exchange using the symbol FLWR. We have some bought deals to talk about this week. Green Thumb Industries did a $65 million deal. That got supersized to $88 million and could go even higher to $101 million. Namaste Technologies Inc., a $45 million deal. And we have some cannabis media news to discuss. High Times acquired Dope Media in a stock and cash deal valued at $11.2 million. Now, High Times says that the Dope Media team will remain in place. If you recall, High Times has been trying to go public over the past year, and while doing so, they've made acquisitions like acquiring Culture and Green Rush Daily. Now, Green Rush Daily's founder, Scott McGovern, is already out. He only lasted about a year at High Times. Speaking of only lasting a year, Leafly CEO Scott Jeffery was ousted this week. He was only there for about a year. Aurora Cannabis reported their earnings this week. In the fiscal fourth quarter, the company delivered a revenue increase of 223%. They reported 55 million Canadian dollars for revenue for the fiscal year 2018, and that was way better than the 18 million Canadian dollars for fiscal year 2017. We also heard from Chiron Life Sciences. They said that they were acquiring a company in Chile, and they got a speculative buy rating from Canaccord Genuity. And then finally, some housekeeping news. Solus Tech will now be known as Generation Alpha, and their new ticker will be GNAL. That's it for this week. I'm Debra Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square.